In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a new user on your PS5. So the chances are you're either going to be on this screen here, or you'll already be logged in to an existing user on your account. If you're logged into an existing user, press on the home button on your PlayStation 5 controller, then go down, and here you want to head over to your profile picture. So mine is this orange circle, and you can see here is my user. I'm going to click on this, and we actually want to log out completely. So I'm going to go down to log out. Now, once you've logged out, you can then press the PlayStation button, and by doing so, it will then ask you to log in again with a user. Now, if you want to add a new user and create one, go across to the left to add a user and click on that. Here you can go ahead and sign in as a guest if you just have a guest account that you want to use. This is good for using an account for split screen, or just say you've got your friends over. If you want to create a new user, click on Get Started on the left here, and it's then going to walk you through the information and things you need to know. So agree to all of the licensing agreement, and then what you can do, you can go ahead and create your account. So if you don't have an existing account, you can go ahead and click Create an Account. It'll be the button in the middle. Once you've done that, you can then choose your region and your language, and then click Next. Then enter in your birth date, and then click Next. Once you've done this, it will take you to this window. It's going to ask you to enter in a valid email address and a password. Now make sure that you do have access to this email, because they might send you a confirmation email in the future. After we've done that, we can then enter in our first and last name, and we can check if we want to receive email updates about Sony or not. After you've done that, we can go ahead and click Next, and we need to just enter in more information here. Okay, so finally we've entered in all the information needed. We'll now select our avatar. So let me just select this robot icon. We'll click Next. Then you need an online ID. This is going to be for your online services, and people will be able to add you from this ID. I'm just going to use a suggestion, but I recommend you take time to create an online ID which is relevant to you. It does have to be unique. You can't have the same ID as anyone else. Again, we're going to use the suggested just for speed here. Now you can choose your privacy settings. I'm going to keep them on social and open, but feel free to click on these and choose privacy settings which match with you and what info you want to share. Go ahead and click Apply, and then skip through all of this. Just enable and continue for all of these. Again, then you need to agree to the final legal documents, and that's just basically your terms and conditions. And then finally, it is then going to create our account. So we are going to have to first verify our email. You can do this on phone or computer, and you are going to have to let them know once your email is verified by clicking on the email verified button. It won't let you go past this until you verify the email. So go ahead and just go to your email provider and make sure you click on the link and verify your account. Once you've verified this, you'll then see you'll be logged into your account. And now in future, when you go ahead and turn on your PlayStation, you'll be able to use your user account that you've just created, and you'll see it with the list of all of the others. So thank you for watching. I hope that video helped you out.